Bakit?
Hi.
Hi, I'm Harwin.
Hi. Yeah.
Look at our rock.
Hi.
Look at
What's that?
Look at our Halloween.
It's Halloween. Oh no, I lie.
Look at this.
What's that? Oh no, there's a skeleton. Hi. Hello. This is we will go trick or treating. Bakit po?
Looks like this is a
Picnic.
picnic.
Yeah, this is a picnic. Iubos my brownies.
This is not a picnic, of course. Butter.
Huh?
Do you have for cookies butter? Is this Eliza?
Butter
Is this
cookies.
Eliza?
Oh.
No. Yeah, that's Eliza.
Oh.
Okay.
This is yours. You know how to, open.
Later.
Book mamaya ka na. Sige, mamaya ka na.
Ang lasa nito?
Sarap yan. Pero,
Sweet.
Yan na kaya natin lagay.
while we are waiting for the trick or treat to start, we went here at the playground in the community. Okay, hi.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Go.
You didn't go to land. Like yesterday. Daddy, what about me?
Wednesday and the pumpkin is playing in the playground. At the playground.
And there.
Tuloy ka mo si Elay.
Ikaw na.
Ayoko. Okay, hindi, trick or treat ka na lang.
Sige.
No, don't doorbell. Trick or treat daw.
Ano ba yan?
Thank you. Thank you. You say thank you. Come on.
Bilis, bilis tayo. Bilis. Bilis.
Here, Ed.
Saan tayo? Sabay ba tayo?
May dog ba to? May dog eh. May dog, ayun o. Oh, there's... Oh, come on, let's go there.
Sabay ba tayo? Sa kanila?
Dito na lang tayo. Come on, Ed. Trick or treat ka. No. I'll go there. Oh, yeah. Yes, Ed.
Go.
Hi.
Trick or treat. Ano ba yan?
Ang galing ko lang. Ayun.
Say thank you. Thank you.
Iwan mo si Elay. Ay, si Elay.
Thank you.
Come on.
Sabay na kayo.
Ah.
Yan, lagay mo dito yung bag.
You can get 2 bags.
I feel like I'm just changing. Hey, where are you going?
Doorbell, isang beses.
Ay! Di, kuha ka na lang. Get mo. Bigyan mo siya.
Ah, kumuha sa din ako. Ah, takot siya.
Mm.
Bigyan mo na lang siya.
Hmm.
Okay.
Come on. You're scared. Si ate, oh. Yan, El. Go. Kaya, El. Go with ate. Go with ate, Eli. Eli. Go with ate, Eli. Oh, punta na kaya. Punta mo sa akin mo yan. Nandun sa ate.
Punta kayo doon. Okay, say thank you. Thank you, say thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Come on.
Sama kay ate. Yeah, go.
No! There's only... Oh my god, there's only something.
Thank you. Thank you. Say thank you.
May nagpapalash siya. Hi.
Thank you. Oh. Alright, go.
Oh. Yes.
Why do they go to the houses that like haven't like that
There's
is
no-
too that is alone?
Ayun oh, may
and no-
chicken. Chicken. Oh.
Wow. Wow.
Ah, you-
This is very
Let's get out of here!
Oh, year. Happy New Year. Doc. Happy Halloween. Hello, did you enjoy your Halloween?
Yeah.
Your trick or treat? Did you enjoy your life? Wow, you have a lot of candies.
So can we unbox this first? I want this.
Yeah, of course. No, later. You check it there. You check the bag, Eli.
Wow.
What are
did you get?
those?
Can we open this?
Yeah, and open.
Wow.
Wow, this is what it is.
Candy.
Wow. Wow. I want it. What is this? Oh. Open. Eddie,
What did you get?